Building an email list is one of the most essential things for growing your business online, and Proof's social proof widgets are an incredibly effective way to accelerate that process. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage Proof's widgets to build a high-converting email list, all while building trust and credibility with your audience. Stick around because I'll reveal an exclusive offer for a free trial at the end that you don't want to miss. First, let's talk about what Proof's social proof widgets are. These are tools that display real-time notifications on your site, showing your visitors actions other users are taking, like signups, purchases, and more. This creates a sense of urgency and social validation that can boost conversions significantly. The reason they work so well is simple. People trust the actions of others, especially when they're looking for social proof. When your visitors see that other people are signing up for your email list or taking action on your site, they'll be more likely to do the same. You can easily integrate Proof's widgets into your website, and you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Once installed, you can customize the look and feel of the notifications to match your brand. This level of customization ensures the widgets blend seamlessly into your website, so they don't distract or annoy visitors, but instead enhance their experience. Now let's get into how you can use these widgets to build your email list specifically. The key here is to strategically place the social proof notifications on your site in areas where visitors are most likely to take action, like in pop-ups, banners, or even in the footer. For example, you could set up a widget to show that 5 people signed up for the newsletter in the last 24 hours. That creates a sense of activity, showing that people are already engaging with your content. But it's not just about showing the numbers. Use Proof's widgets to personalize the message as well. You can show specific proof related to your email sign-up, like join 200 others in receiving our weekly updates. This not only encourages others to sign up, but also reinforces the idea that your email content is valuable. In addition, Proof lets you segment your audience to make sure the right social proof is shown to the right people. For instance, if someone is visiting your site for the first time, you can show proof related to how many other first-time visitors have signed up. This makes the social proof more relevant and personal. One of the best features of Proof's widgets is their ability to integrate with email marketing platforms. Whether you're using MailChimp, ConvertKit, or any other email service provider, Proof can connect directly, making it easy to manage your email list without any manual effort. The automation saves you time, and the increased conversions help you grow your email list faster. By building trust with social proof, you're not only growing your email list, but you're doing so with an audience that already feels more confident in your offerings. This can translate to better engagement rates, increased sales, and a more loyal customer base. If you want to try this out for yourself, you can use Proof completely free. And I've got an exclusive offer for an extended free trial linked below. So don't miss out on this opportunity to kickstart your email list building efforts. Now go ahead and take the first step, try Proof's social proof widgets today, and watch as your email list starts to grow with ease.